Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you how you can create a new Etsy seller account. At first go to Etsy on Google and then click on join. After that it's going to ask you how you're going to connect, so I'm just going to click on continue with Google to log in quicker, and then click on the profile. Then it's going to say sell on Etsy, so you have to click on that. Once it's loaded, click on get started. After that it's gonna say your account is unconfirmed, so you have to check your Gmail to confirm it. After you're gonna confirm, it's gonna say let's do this, where it's going to ask you a bunch of questions and you have to fill them out. Lastly it says start your shop and you have to click on that, and there you go. This is the page where you have to fill all of the information, and once you're done you can finally start selling on Etsy. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.